Lifelong strengthening exercise after knee replacement surgery. First exercise is ankle pump 10 times. 1, 2, 3. You have to do it from both of the legs. 1, 2, 3. Second exercise is static quads. You have to keep one cushion or a towel roll under the knee and press the knee onto the towel. Push the towel from the knee. 1. Do it 10 times. 2, 3. From both the legs. 1, 2, 3. Third exercise is isometric hamstring. You have to bend your knee 30-40 degrees and push your heel onto the bed or dig the heel onto the bed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax 10 times. Fourth exercise is straight leg raise. You have to bend one knee and lift the other leg straight up and down. 1, 10 times. 2, 3. Relax. Fifth exercise is side lying abduction. You have to turn on your one side. Turn. Now raise your leg up and down 10 times. 1, 2, 3. Sixth exercise is standing calf raises. You have to stand near the wall for the support and raise your heel. 1. Do it for 10 times. 2, 3. Relax. Seventh exercise is you have to stand near the wall for the support and kick forward 10 times. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Now eighth exercise is you have to kick sideways. 1, 2, 10 times. Now ninth exercise is you have to kick back. 1, 2, 10 times. 3. Relax. Thank you.